So guys, welcome to yet another video of Damn Fast. Today we have a very special car, because this is a car of a friend of ours, which has his own driving school. So it's called OnTrack, and this is actually the newest Golf that is available. So it's the Golf Mark So it's the Golf Mark 8 with the 1.5 liter TSI engine, 130 brake horsepower. And it has the style trim, which is actually a very nice trim to have, because this is like the first trim of the new Golf, and so it has some kind of Golf R bumpers. I mean, it's not really an R line, but it does have some features of it. You have the very nice new headlights of the Golf 8, so it's full LED. I think it's full LED. This looks a bit like xenon as well, but I think it's full LED. And you have the new Volkswagen logo as well. Volkswagen did a rebrand of their logo. I actually think it really looks nice. It looks just like a little bit modern. Yeah, pretty nice. So we have the 18-inch alloy wheels, which look very good, but this obviously is a car that's meant for driving lessons, so I hope that these wheels keep their shape. We are actually installing alloy gator rim protectors soon for this car. I think we're gonna make a video of that as well.
And if so, check it out here.
Yeah, check it out here, indeed. I think the rear end of this car really looks very good. So yeah, I mean, it just looks like a little bit modern, more modern than the Golf 7. It also looks a bit wider as well. I think everybody that has seen the new Golf was a little bit hesitant with the front of the car, but the back is very nice. So you have the park distance control systems. You've got the rear view camera as well, which is very nice. And in here you have the real exhaust tip, so they're not real. Yeah. Well, last time we tested my Volkswagen Polo, which did actually fit a human, and I think this one is even bigger. So does it fit a human? It does fit a human perfectly, and I think if you stack on a little bit, you can even put 2 people in there. So very practical indeed. Yeah, let's look at the interior, because this is where all the big changes are in comparison to the Golf 7. It's very hot actually. No, let's not do this. Let's put it out. So we have the Panoramic Sunroof, which is always a good thing. You have the virtual display with a lot of options. I don't know any of these options, but it looks really good.
You don't know.
I mean, I've tried.
Nog een keer. You don't know any of these options?
No. We're just figuring out right now. Just actually, I wanted to check the temperature of the motor, and I couldn't find it anywhere. It's probably somewhere hidden between all these different menus and things, but I can't find it anywhere. But it does actually look very modern and very cool, and yeah, it's really something to brag about against your friends, that you have a virtual display and your friends don't. But it actually does really look nice. Actually, all the buttons that used to be like normal buttons are now like touch buttons. So this one as well, you can put it in there, you can press auto. Yeah, it's like all kinds of stuff. These are all touch sensitive buttons, even for the panoramic sunroof as well. So that is really funny, because also these lights you just need to tap the lights and then they come on. So that is really modern. That's Volkswagen's new way of...
Wat wilt u doen?
I don't want to do anything. Ik wil niks.
Herhalen alstublieft.
Ik wil naar huis rijden.
En dan gaat hij ineens dadelijk. Ik heb mijn beentjes ingetrokken.
Oeh. So yeah, well, everything is touch now at Volkswagen. So actually, all these buttons are touch. If you want to dim the light, you just tap the light, and the light goes off. And if you tap it again, it goes on again. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's a bit hard to get like these normal features to work, because they are so different than that they used to be. But I think it's just it takes some getting used to. This is the new infotainment system, which is yeah, very modern as well. So you have the menu here. Like all these driver aid systems, you have a lot of it in this car. So in here you have your navigation, you have your music. It does support Apple CarPlay, and I think also Android Auto. Yeah, and this car actually has the 1.5 liter TSI engine with cylinder deactivation. So if you drive normally, if you drive on the highway like at 100 kilometers an hour, it only uses 2 of its 4 cylinders, which results in a very good whoa, yeah, the key, right? The key is a lot different. I mean, don't mind the sticker, but the key is way different from the regular Golf 7. I think this key looks really dope. I really like this design. It looks really modern, really sleek, smart. Yeah, I really like it. So this is actually a manual car because it's used for driving lessons. It's just the 6-speed manual, which is very nice. In here you have the navigation system, which is very uitgebreid.
Yes, indeed.
So because this actually is a car that's used for driving lessons, you have the pedals here as well. So Robin can use the pedals if he wants to, and if we drive in the freeway, he can also just press the brake or whatever. So that's actually really strange to have in a car. And of course you have the different kind of mirrors to see the people that are driving. Well, I think enough of the front. I really like this interior. It's really modern and good looking. However, the ergonomics are somewhat questionable sometimes with all the touch buttons and things. So let's move over to the back of the car, because that is really where a Golf shines. Because in here you really have loads of leg room, loads of space. I mean, yeah, this is just great. I can sit here all day, like going on a road trip, and I will be just fine. The knee room is perfect. You have like loads of room for your knees. You actually have a armrest that you can put in there as well. Headroom is pretty decent. Shoulder room is also really nice. I mean, if you're with 2 people in the back, it's great. If you're with 3, it does get a little bit cramped, but it's doable as well. Also in here you have the ski hatch. So if you're going on a winter holiday, you can put in your skis or your snowboard, whatever you want. So that is really nice as well. So this car does not have the leather seats, but it's just cloth. Combined with some Alcantara inlays as well. So the Alcantara is actually looking really good as well. This is actually, I think, a drawback of the new Golf compared to the Golf Mark 7. This part, and I see this everywhere at the Volkswagen group, where the things in the back get like a little bit cheaper than before. So normally you have like the chrome inlays or the aluminum inlays, and right now it's just black plastic. I mean, it does the job and it looks fine, but it's not the quality feel like from the previous generations of Volkswagen. But also you see it everywhere, at Audi, at Seat. I don't know why they do it. But all in all, it's really nice in here, and well, yeah, I think that's it for now. So right now we are actually going to test the 0 to 100 of this car and make a POV for you guys as well. Check out our videos here and here. I don't know what kind of videos are, but they're all very nice, so watch them all. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you guys next video. Bye.